What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And unfortunately I vlogged the other day a car show, but somehow my camera guy switched over to slow motion after like the first two clips, and the whole video was just all in slow motion. So I actually ran into a subscriber. So this kid's name is Aiden. He just got, I think it's a laser red 2-valve. He got it back in October, and his Instagram is right here. It's ReaperGT. Guys, make sure you go follow him. He has tons of cool plans for his car. The way he's described his car to me, it's gonna be super clean. Make sure you guys go check it out. Alrighty, so the main topic of today's video is we are talking about eBay painted parts. Well, this company's not really from eBay anymore, but they originated from eBay. And when I bought my first part from them, they were still on eBay and didn't have their website yet. But now this company is called Bumpers That Deliver, and they are known for selling replacement body panels, bumpers, hoods, fenders, on all that stuff. I don't know if they do doors either, but they have tons of options for all kinds of vehicles. I've never seen a vehicle that wasn't added on there. So I've bought 2 items from them. If you guys remember, about almost 2 years ago, maybe a year and a half ago, 2 years ago, I can't remember exactly, but I bought an 03 to 04 Cobra bumper, pre-painted. They painted it, and I didn't send many pictures of my car. I just gave them the paint code, and I'm like, you know what, I'm a little bit nervous about this because they didn't see the car. The car is 23 years old, so the paint is faded a little bit. Even though I've taken care of the paint, I always take care of it, but you know, it has a little bit of fade to it. But when I got the bumper and I put it on, the bumper matched phenomenal. The paint didn't have any orange peel. I mean, you guys seen the bumper. But either way, recently I just ordered a new fender and I just put it on the other day, and my god, if you guys remember the fender that I put on last time, it was from Mako, and I made a whole video griping about Mako. I've had this fender on, this non-matching fender on, for a while now, and it's crazy that Mako could screw it up, and this company up in Michigan could, you know, match it damn near perfect when you don't even get to see the car. So I'm gonna let you guys check out this fender for yourselves. It looks so much better than that Mako fender. I do say it is a cheaper fender, so beware, there will be slight fitment issues, but they're not too hateful. My main complaint about the fender fitment is under the hood. We're gonna take the headlight out and I will show you exactly that. If you look right here, this lip on the fender right here is out too far. So when you go to try and pull your headlight out, it catches, so you kind of have to like force it. There is a fix to it. I haven't done it yet, but I thought about like getting one of those cutting wheels and just cutting it right off. That's probably the best fix for it, but it's not that big of a deal. But if you look over here at this lip, is not in the way at all. Not in the slightest. They're a really good replacement part, and I do still recommend them, because anything aftermarket is not going to be perfect. I do gotta say though, the bumper fitment gave me no issues. The bumper fitment is perfect, a lot better than the fender, but their paint quality is nice on the fender. I love the way it looks. Going back to the bumper, my only complaint about the bumper itself, which this is probably normal for any car that drives all the time, especially on the highway. I drive this car 40 minutes to Hagerstown from Virginia. And you guys, if you guys are from around here, that's like a 45 minute to 50 minute drive. I don't know anybody in Virginia, any friends. All my friends are in Hagerstown, so I'm constantly going back and forth to Hagerstown. So of course this car is going to get its rock chips. But yeah, I touched up with touch-up paint and stuff, but if you look real close, but I think the real way to prevent this, and I never thought about before, the real way to prevent it is just to get it wrapped with a clear bra. And I should have done it, but next time I get the bumper repainted, which I'm thinking about having that done again here soon, because this bumper is cracked on the bottom because I hit a dead deer, so it's cracked on the bottom. So when I replace this bumper again, I'm probably just going to get it painted and have it wrapped in a clear bra. So the clear bra is stronger than paint, and it can actually take the rocks being thrown at it, so the bumper will be protected more. And during shipping, you can't really see it on camera, but there's like a tiny scratch right there, and there's a very slight bend right here that I straightened out. It's straightened out, but I contacted them about it because, once again, this wasn't their fault. They used FedEx, and you guys know the reputation that FedEx has. FedEx is not very good at handling their packages, so FedEx beat this fender up a little bit during shipping. I mean, it's not bad. There's like one other minor dent in it that you can't really see. So I contacted them about it, just to let them know, saying, hey, FedEx, you know, did this and that. And he actually offered me $150 back off my order. And I got that, and I gotta say, Bumpers that deliver, their customer service is amazing. So if you do order something from them and it's not right, or if there's something wrong with it, they will go out of their way to make it right. There's been one product I've been bugging them to get, but I don't think it's possible for them to get, which is the 03 to 04 Cobra Terminator rear bumper. And I noticed before that you could go on American Muscle or LMR and buy 03 to 04 Cobra replacement bumpers on the rears, but now you can't find them anywhere. Like I even went to what's that place called, True Fiber, I think. I forgot what company that is. It's like some cheap generic you know, company that makes body panels, and it's like they make Fiberglass Specialties. That's the website. I went to Fiberglass Specialties. I know that they sold them. They told them to shave where it didn't say Cobra, which is what I want, because I'm not trying to replicate a Cobra, but I love the way the rear bumper looks. But they don't even have them anymore. So I don't know if like Ford stepped up and put like a patent on that too, to where you can't buy them. But I just know you can't buy them anywhere. So if you guys have any information on why you can't buy 03 to 04 Cobra bumpers online anymore without buying them used, let me know, because I see people selling them used for like $1,200, damaged at that. So I was gonna get that bumper for the rear, but I think I'm just gonna stick with the GT bumper, because I just don't feel like spending that kind of money on a rear bumper. I wish I would have bought it sooner when it was cheaper and brand new, but it is what it is. Maybe one day I'll come across the deal and get one, but other than that, I'm not gonna sit there and spend the money on, you know, an 03 to 04 Cobra bumper for the rear. Alrighty guys, so I think that's gonna be the end of this video. I just want you guys to, you know, see Bumpers that delivers amazing products. And no, I am not sponsored. I love to have a sponsorship from them, because I could really use a rear bumper from them, but I'm saving money for something else. And I think my buddy is gonna give me his old bumper, because he switched his out. So I'm gonna get his old bumper. He's just gonna give it to me, and I'm just gonna pay somebody to paint it. But yeah, alrighty guys, so like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.